Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the program to generate the Fibonacci series using C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, program to generate the Fibonacci series using the C programming. What is the Fibonacci series? Is nothing but 0, first number is 0, second number is 1. The third number is nothing but sum of previous two, 0 plus 1. Fourth number is nothing but previous two, sum of previous two, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21. Like that it will go. So the number is sum of previous two numbers. That is the logic of the Fibonacci series. Let us consider the first number is 0, second number is 1. Third number is nothing but sum of first and second number. After creating the third number, fourth number is nothing but sum of second and third number. That is nothing but the number is the sum of previous two numbers. Like that we need to generate. So let us consider A equal to 0, B equal to 1. We assign A is 0, B equal to 1. What is C? C is nothing but A plus B. That is the logic of the Fibonacci series. The number is sum of previous two numbers. C is nothing but sum of previous two numbers. So A is 0, B equal to 1, C means A plus B. After finding this one, what we need to do? We need to shift the position. We'll make this is number A. This one is number, this one is A, and this value, this number 1 is assigned as B. The value is shifted. Again C is nothing but A plus B. Right? So what we need to do is, after this, first is A 0, B is 1, C is nothing but A plus B. So that we got this value 0 plus 1, 1. Now we need to find the value of 2. For that we are shifting the value. That is, we are going to store the B value in A. That is A equal to B. What is the meaning? B value will be stored in A. Then B equal to C. C value will be stored in B. Right? Now A and B is shifted. Now A is 1, B is 1. Right? After executing this statement, the B value is stored in A, C value is stored in B, so that the position is shifted. Now A is 1, B is also 1. Again we can execute this. C equal to A plus B. What is A? Is 1. What is B? Also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So after then again we need to shift that. We need to make this is A, this is B, this number is B. So that C is nothing but A plus B. 1 plus 2, 3. So by using this statement, we can shift the position. B is assigned to A, C is assigned to B, so that C equal to A plus B. So the position one by one it is shifted by using this statement. Then we can add this value. Right? So this is the logic behind the Fibonacci series. Now we'll go to the program. Void main. Include finds. By default we can include the header files. Include hash include stdio.h console.io.h. Standard input and console input header files need to be included. Now open the main program, open the brace, integer a, b, c. So we need the three variable a, b, c. First number, second number, third number is the sum of 2. Then I. In order to generate the for loop, by using for loop only we can perform this operation. So that we are having I. The term, how many terms are needed? Up to which number we need to generate the Fibonacci series. For example, 10 means the 10 numbers will be generated. The term is number of terms, not a n value, not this value. 10 means 10 numbers will be generated. Right? So A, B, C is the first three digits of this Fibonacci series. I is used for loop. Term is how many terms we need. That can be got from the user. So after clear screen, we ask the user to enter the number of terms. How many terms are needed. Scanf %d and terms. Address of term. The user what we entered is stored in that variable term. It is located in that particular address. Right. Now we got the number of terms. Right. So we need to assign this value. A equal to 0, B equal to 1. First two values are assigned. A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Then C also, we assigned as 0. Right. Now print of the Fibonacci series is, right. First we will print the sentence. The first two values we can print as it is. Print of %d slash t %d slash t a comma b, because 0 and 1 is fixed. Only from third term only we are going for calculation. This slash t refers, it is a tab. So 0 is printed, after one tab 1 will be printed, right. So first two digits also now we printed. Now we'll go to the remaining terms. How to generate the remaining terms? So we created the for loop for I equal to 0, I less than terms, because we started from 0. Term 10 terms mean I less than term, I plus plus, right. So it is incremented by 1. So this loop, for example, if the term is 10, so this loop will be executed 10 times, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, because 10 is the condition is not satisfied. If it is 10 means, I is 10 means condition not satisfied, the terminated, right. So I is initially 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 10 means that loop will be terminated, right. So this is a normal loop. So this loop is not related to the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is different. Just for repeating this process, we open this for loop, right. This for loop executed from 0 to 9 means 10 times, because the user enter 10 times. So it will be executed 10. So 10 times we can repeat this process, right. Now C equal to A plus B. That is our logic. The number is sum of previous two numbers, right. Then we print the third number. After printing, we need to exchange these numbers. B is stored in A, C is stored in B. Then we can go for the increment again. So the process will be repeated again and again, right. So we are after first one is the number is sum of previous two numbers. After printing, we are exchanging the number, so that again the number is sum of previous two numbers, right. Now we'll see the example, right. So now A equal to 0, B equal to 1. A is 0 and B is 1. That also we printed. 0 and 1 is printed with the tab, right. The term is, let us consider the term is 10. What is C? C equal to A plus B. So this is nothing but A, this is B, right. So 0 plus 1, it will become 1, right. Initially it is A, this is B, this is C. A is 0, B is 1, C equal to, C is nothing but A plus B 1. After adding and after printing this value, we are exchanging this value. B become A now. This become A. C become B, right. We changed the position. We shifted one position. Again it is incremented. I plus plus means it will go to the 2. Now what will happen inside? C equal to A plus B. So C is nothing but A plus. What is A? A is 1, B is also 1. So 1 plus 1, it will give 2, right. So that is C. So after printing, again it is shifted. This become A and this become B. This is C. So B is stored in A, C is stored in B. Then after increment again it will execute the same process. C equal to A plus B, right. What is A now? A is 1, B is 2. So 1 plus 2, 3, right. So again it will go to the next process after increment. It will go up to 10 terms, right. So now this 2 become A, 3 become B. The C is nothing but A plus B. 2 plus 3, 5. So like that it will go up to 10 terms, because we open the loop for the user. Let us consider the user enter the number of terms as 10. So the 10 terms will be printed. Already 2 terms are already available. So here the 10 terms will be there. So 10 plus 12, 10 plus 2, 12 terms will be printed, because 2 terms we already printed before opening the loop. A and B is printed. So apart from this, remaining 10 terms will be printed, right. So I think you are able to understand. So the process is, the number is the sum of first and second number is we assign. First number is 0, second number is 1. Third is nothing but sum of previous two. Fourth is nothing but sum of previous two. Like that will go. That is the Fibonacci series. So what we are making? A, B. First number A, second number B. Third number is A plus B. After that again we exchanged. This number become A and this number become B. So that C is nothing but A plus B. So keep on, we are shifting the numbers. Then we perform the expression C equal to A plus B, then printed then and there. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.